Welcome to the Diploma in Computer Applications, or DCA, at BIT Baroda. This comprehensive career program helps you master the digital skills top employers demand, featuring a government-recognized curriculum and the IIT academic framework. The DCA is an industry-oriented program designed to bridge the gap between knowledge and job-ready IT skills. It offers flexible durations, fast track in 6 months, regular mode in 9 months, or an advanced diploma in 12 months with extra projects. Our academic excellence framework ensures the curriculum aligns with premier standards and government-recognized patterns. We are IIT Patna aligned, focusing on rigorous pedagogy, comprehensive assessment, and job-oriented skills for public and private sectors. The complete curriculum is modular and 100% practical, covering 8 core modules. These range from computer and IT fundamentals and MS Office mastery to C programming, Tally Prime with GST, core web design, and professional development. Modules 1 through 3 build your foundation. Module 1 covers IT basics and cybersecurity. Module 2 focuses on MS Office mastery, including advanced Excel skills like pivot tables and financial analysis. Module 3 introduces C programming for logic building and algorithms. Modules 4 through 6 cover key mastery tracks. Module 4 is Tally Prime with GST, covering complete accounting and compliance. Module 5 teaches core web design with HTML5 and CSS3, and Module 6 focuses on graphic design using Photoshop and CorelDRAW. Modules 7 and 8 provide essential career components. Module 7 covers core hardware and networking, including PC assembly and troubleshooting. Module 8 focuses on spoken English and professional development, crucial for interview preparation and workplace communication. Our competency framework ensures job-ready proficiency. You will master skills in office productivity, accounting and finance, creative design, IT supporting coding, and professional soft skills, all highly demanded in the current job market. The program helps you master an industry-standard software ecosystem, providing full-stack coverage from MS Office and Tally to Photoshop, HTML5, and C language. The BIT LMS portal acts as your 24/7 digital campus for blended learning resources. Real-world application is achieved through 5 compulsory live projects and case studies, making your portfolio ready. These include building an Excel business dashboard, a GST accounting project, a website development, and an office network setup. Our learning management system, the BIT LMS portal, powers a world-class digital learning experience. It supports blended learning with 24/7 access, HD video lessons, practice quizzes, smart progress tracking, and direct mentor connection. Choose the instructor-led training mode that suits you best. We offer online live training for professionals and remote learners, with flexible timings and cloud labs, or classroom training for students and freshers, providing hands-on labs and one-on-one mentoring. After DCA, you can pursue structured career pathways in corporate operations, finance and data, and tech and creative roles. Entry-level salaries range from 2.0 to 5.0 lakh rupees per year. Market insights for 2026 show high demand in Tally and web development, with a 12 to 15% base growth. Specialized roles like MIS executive and accountant command premium salaries, and consistent upskilling can double salaries within 3 years. Job growth for DCA graduates is fueled by key drivers like MSME digitalization, boosting demand for office automation and MIS roles. The growth in e-commerce and edtech increases the need for web and graphic design, while GST compliance ensures steady demand for Tally professionals. The student journey moves from beginner to professional in 5 strategic phases, starting with foundations, moving to technical tracks and advanced skills before applying knowledge in live projects, and finally, career launch with dual certification and placement drives. Visualize your career growth with defined trajectories across admin, accounts, design, and hardware tracks. Potential career transitions can lead to roles like MIS executive, senior accountant, creative lead, or system admin, offering up to 3x salary growth. Why choose BIT Baroda? Our program offers 100% practical training, the premium BIT LMS portal, 5+ live projects, dual certifications, and blended learning. Our success stories confirm real results and a clear pathway to your career. Start your IT career journey today with our industry-recognized DCA program. Transform your future with practical skills and dual certification. Visit our website, call us, or visit our campus for a free career counseling session.